Okay, year 6. So we're going to carry on with our bus stop method today. We're going to be working with and without remainders, and we're going to be going through some word problems as well. So you can see I've got our recap with 2 examples. Both of them are dividing by 7, 2 different amounts. So if we do 238 divided by 7 first, follow with me. You can see I've written it out with my bus stop method here. If you can hear any squeaking, my dog Guido is going to be playing with his toy, I think. He knows when I'm recording. He likes to be in on the action. So, how many 7s go into 2? None, but the 2 carries across. How many 7s in 23? It's 3. My remainder is 2. How many 7s go into 28? 4. So 238 divided by 7 is 34. Now I do the same thing with 242. So that 2 gets carried across. How many 7s go into 24? 3. My remainder is 3. How many 7s go into, or can I take out of 32? 4 with a remainder of 4. Okay, so my answer for that one is 34 with 4 left over. So hopefully you should be comfortable with that. Now I said it's your turn now. So I've given you the problem that you're putting eggs into boxes, and there he is. There's the squeaker. He knows. So my eggs are boxed in 8s. All right, so 8 eggs go into every box. So I've given you different amounts of eggs, and I've asked you how many boxes can you fill, and if there are any if there are any eggs left over. All right, if you've got a remainder, that's how many eggs you've got left. For D, slightly different, and I've said you're only allowed to do this one in your head. Have a go. All right, have the confidence to have a go, because you're going to get the answer right eventually, because I'm going to go through it with you anyway. All right, so pause now, go through these, press play when you want to go through the answers. Good luck. All right, great stuff. So I'm going to make this page a bit smaller so you can see my workings out. So the first one, 438 eggs. How many boxes can you fill? So I need to split 438 by 8. How many 8s go into 4? None. 4 carries across. I can get 5 8s out of 43, and I've got 3 left. How many 8s go into 38? 8, 16, 24, 32. I stopped there. So that's my answer for the first one. I can fill 54 boxes with a remainder of 6. I've got 6 eggs left over. B, I'm splitting 368 eggs into boxes of 8. Let me do this one. That would be 32, so I've got 4 left over. How many 8s go into 48? It's 6. So that time, I can fill 46 boxes, and I haven't got any eggs left over. And the last one, I've got a lot of eggs this time. I've got 866. So how many 8s go into 8? It'd be 1 with no remainder. How many 8s in 6? None. 6 carries across. 8, remainder 2. So that time I can fill 108 boxes, and I've got 2 eggs left over. And the last one, D, I've said you've got to do it in your head. So this time you were filling boxes, and you could fit 10 eggs in a box, and you had 212 eggs. And I asked you how many boxes you could fill. So what I wanted you to think of was how many 10s go into the number 212. Well, I know that if I had 100 eggs, that'd be 10 boxes, because 10 times 10 is 100. So 20 boxes must be 200 eggs. And I got 12 eggs left over. I could fill one more box, couldn't I, with the 12? Because I'd need 10 eggs. So I filled 21 boxes. Because 21 times 10 is 210, which would mean I've got 2 eggs left. Really, really well done if you got that, because that was a tricky one. If I had done it with my bus stop method, I'd say how many 10s go into 2? None. 2 gets carried across. How many 10s go into 21? 2 with 1 left. How many 10s go into 12? 1 with a remainder of 2. So that's how I know I've got the right answer. If you got 4 out of 4 there, superb, well done. All right, because some of those were quite challenging. If you really struggled, my advice is watch the video again, because we're going to be going over some more word problems in tomorrow's lesson. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now. Maths is fun.